Hi, this is Darren Blue, and I'm going to take you through step by step where to start with your WordPress blog. As you can see here, we're at the WordPress dashboard. This is the main interface for your blog. Basically, you can do everything from here that involves posting or creating pages or content, managing everything. It all happens from this interface right here. First thing we want to do is go over to the sidebar and adjust some of the core settings. So I'm going to open this up and let's just go through each tab one by one. Let's go to General. To start out, we're going to move to the blog title right at the top here. By default, it already filled in as what you input when you installed the blog, but let's create this to something new. We could actually just spell out the words, and rather than having the lowercase .com there, I want Trusted Home Business Reviews, so that'll be the title of my blog. And the tagline is going to be Home Business Reviews You Can Trust. Well, that wasn't very clever, but the point is you can adjust your blog title and your tagline right here. And I'll go ahead and look through the rest of the options here. Everything else is fine. WordPress is really just good to go straight out of the box pretty much. Once it's installed, you really don't have to do anything technical. That's why I love it so much, and that's why it's being used by sources like CNN, the New York Times, People Magazine. They all have WordPress powered blogs. This is awesome software right here. So let's save changes. And those took effect, but let's take a look at them. If you scroll up to the top here, you can click to visit your site. Now, what I'm going to do is open that up in a new tab. And we can see here the changes I made. It's now Trusted Home Business Reviews. And here's my tagline, Home Business Reviews You Can Trust. When I go back here, you can see where I typed those in. So you can change those to whatever you want your blog to be about, and just get creative and do whatever you want there. It's your blog, have it your way. So now let's move on to the writing tab. And okay, this is fine as is. Actually, you know what? Let's make this about 20 lines. It gives you a little more room when you're creating posts, and you'll see what I mean when we get into that section there. So go ahead and change that to 20. All the defaults are fine. That's good. We're good. Save changes. It's really a breeze. We're already moving along here. Now we get into reading. So latest post up front, perfect, no changes needed. Let's go straight to discussion. Everything looks good. If you want to change some of these settings, by all means, but WordPress as is runs like a well-oiled machine, and you really don't have to do anything. So save changes. Media, okay. Default settings, defaults are fine. Privacy, here's a key one here. If you want your blog to be private, so only people that you refer directly to it can see it, then you want to check this box. By default, it's going to be visible to everyone, including search engines, so they'll be able to scan your blog and possibly rank your content in the search engines and search results. I recommend that you leave this as is. If you only want to refer people directly to your blog because you're managing it a certain way, that's fine. Go ahead and check this box, but that's the key difference here. Whether or not it's visible by search engines, and by default it is. So we're going to leave that. That's good. Now let's move to permalinks. And this is okay as is. We'll go ahead and leave that. And get into miscellaneous. And everything else is good here too. I mean, I'm telling you, WordPress is awesome. You really don't have to be technically inclined to be a web designer, a webmaster now. You can pretty much consider yourself. So save that. And that's it for the settings tab. Thanks for watching.